Good day! We are here to present our research study entitled Teachers' Performance in Relation to Job Satisfaction Amidst the Changing Landscape of Education During Pandemic. The pandemic brought a lot of changes in lives of all people around the world. This became a subject of discussions whether people were able to cope and were still satisfied with what they were doing personally and professionally, and teachers were not exempted in this aspect. The rationale of this study is to determine the level and correlation of Lumil Integrated National High School faculty's job satisfaction and performance during the new setup of education. The result of the study is intended to be shared to school administration to help them in crafting localized programs in intervention that could lift the teacher's morale, spirit, work ethics, and performance. Here are the research questions. First, what is the demographic profile of the teachers in terms of gender, age, teaching position, years in service, highest educational status, and grade level taught? Second, what is the teacher's level of job satisfaction based on a survey mean scores in terms of compensation and benefits, leadership of administrators, social relationship, and work environment? Third, what is the teacher's performance level based on the IPCRF rating? Fourth, what is the number and the percentage of teachers for each job satisfaction level in each category? Fifth, what is the number and the percentage of teachers for each adjectival rating in IPCRF? Sixth, is there any significant difference among the teachers' level of job satisfaction when they are classified to their demographic profile? Seventh, is there any significant difference among the teachers' performance level when they are classified to their demographic profile? And lastly, is there significant relationship between teachers' job satisfaction level and performance level?
The study was conducted in Lumil Integrated National High School from July 2022. It was participated by 45 teachers who taught in the said school during academic year 2021-2022. These used the quantitative research design, particularly the correlative research design. This utilized the total population sampling technique because all the teachers participated aside from the 4 researchers. The data collection began by asking permission of the school heads and teachers. Then the participants were asked to answer a survey that will measure their job satisfaction. Next, researchers requested the summary of IPCRF rating of the teachers as basis of their performance. These data were subjected in different statistical treatment.
It was found out that majority of the Lumil Integrated National High School teachers were satisfied with their current situation and perception in the 4 aforementioned aspects of job satisfaction. Most of them are very happy with their relationship with their co-workers. However, it is noticeable that around a quarter of 45 teachers were still reluctant whether they were satisfied or dissatisfied with compensation and benefits that they are receiving from the government. Moreover, there were several teachers who were also neither satisfied nor dissatisfied in the 3 other dimensions. In addition, some teachers were dissatisfied on how school administrators led and managed the institution. Furthermore, all the teachers in every teaching position got an outstanding IPCRF rating. The job satisfaction of the teachers was further analyzed by comparing the data based on their demographic profile. The researchers learned that the teachers' job satisfaction levels are the same in the 4 dimensions when they are grouped according to their gender, age group, teaching position, years in service, and highest educational attainment. But they showed significant difference in compensation and benefits when they were classified according to grade levels taught. It was found out that grade 7 and 9 did not have the same level of satisfaction in terms of this aspect, as well with grades 9 and 10. Nevertheless, the teachers still had the same level of job satisfaction in other 3 components based on the grade levels taught. It is concluded in this study that there was no enough evidence that Lumil Integrated National High School teachers' job satisfaction had significant relationship with their job performance because it was revealed that these two variables had very weak positive correlation.
Teachers recommend that the school may devise an annual or quarterly feedback mechanism which can measure or determine the teacher's status physically, emotionally, socially, professionally, spiritually, and others. So in this way, the school can make intervention program that can address the teacher's concerns and conditions. Thus, the school may help teachers to work efficiently and enthusiastically. Intend to impart the results of the study in school level, conferences, and other venues that will come their way. They also suggest that this can be basis for crafting school-based programs for teachers' welfare. Are the references? The researchers spent an approximate amount of 2,303 pesos. That's all. Thank you for listening. God bless you all.